Most men think they need to quit their job to travel full-time. That's not true. You don't need to burn bridges or drain your savings. I found a way to make a real income while traveling the world, and I did it without being a YouTuber, a crypto bro, or a tech wizard. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram looking at people working from beaches, sailing on cruise ships, or sipping coffee in some tiny cafe in Italy and thought must be nice, I get it. That used to be me. I thought that kind of lifestyle was only for influencers or people with massive online followings. But then I found something different, something real. And in this video, I'm gonna break it all down. How I earn a good income and travel full-time using cruises without being glued to my laptop 10 hours a day. Here's the big lie that most people believe. To travel full-time, you have to quit your job, become a digital marketing expert, or start a business that eats your soul. And yet for a while, I believed that too. I was working long hours, stacking vacation days, watching others live the life I wanted while telling myself, one day, but deep down, I knew one day wasn't coming unless I made a change. The biggest problem? Everything out there felt either fake, scammy, or insanely complicated. Dropshipping? Way too much customer service. Affiliate marketing? Takes forever. YouTube? Good luck going viral. I needed something simple, real, and with a product I could actually stand behind. Enter cruises. Now before you roll your eyes and say, oof, not another travel club, hang on, because this one's different. Let's start with what cruises actually is. At its core, it's a travel membership club. Think of it like Netflix, but for cruises and luxury vacations. You pay a monthly fee, and that fee turns into reward points at double the value. So if you pay $100 a month, you get $200 in reward points. It's like a travel savings plan, but better. Now, the cool part, cruises also has a referral model. And no, it's not some shady pyramid thing. It's legit, and more importantly, it works. When you share the membership with other people who love to travel and who doesn't, and they join, you get paid. And if you help them share it with their friends, your income grows. It's word of mouth, just done smarter. At first, I was skeptical, like really skeptical. I'd seen too many flashy brothers trying to recruit people into get-rich schemes. But this didn't feel like that. The product was real, the savings were real, and the trips even more real. I went on my first one, 12 days across Spain, Portugal, and the Canary Islands. Let me tell you, I paid way less than anyone else on that ship. And I didn't just go on the cruise, I earned from it. My vacation paid me back. Here's what makes cruises unique. 1. You get paid in dollars, no weird points system. 2. You earn residual income, that means income that shows up even when you're not working. 3. You get a free membership once you refer 5 members, which means you build reward points without paying. I started part-time. I had zero experience in network marketing, no big audience, just a desire to travel and earn honestly. And in a few months, I was earning enough to cover my rent, my travel, and then some. And the best part, I got to do it while I was traveling, while other people were stuck in one place, waiting for that perfect time. I was already out there, seeing the world, meeting people, making memories. This isn't about selling to strangers. It's about sharing an opportunity with people who already love to travel. Think about it. Every time someone posts a photo from Greece or a cruise to the Bahamas, people ask, how'd you do that? And when you've got cruises in your pocket, you've got an answer that pays. There was a moment that changed everything for me. I was on the balcony of a cruise ship just off the coast of Madeira. Sun going down, glass of wine in my hand, and I checked my phone. I had just received a commission while I was on vacation. That was the moment it clicked. I wasn't trading time for money anymore. I had cracked the code. I was earning from something I loved, travel, while actually traveling. And that's when I knew this isn't just a side hustle. It's a freedom model. Most men think they need to quit their jobs, become some kind of tech genius, or go viral on TikTok just to travel full-time. But that's not true. You just need a system that works and a product that sells itself. And cruises is that. It's simple, it's real, and it works for regular people. People who want to see the world. People who want more time with their family. People who are done waiting for someday. I've helped others do it too. I've seen dads go from burnt out to present. Couples finally take the trip they kept putting off. And individuals find purpose in helping others do the same. This isn't just about travel, it's about freedom. And if you've ever felt like life's passing you by while you're stuck in a loop, maybe it's time you gave this a shot. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Subscribe for more ways to travel and earn at the same time.